Good morning. It's 13th of May 2013. I'm going to run through last week's EU short trade, the reasons why I called it and how it panned out, etc. Okay, so we had a lovely Gartley develop, new high, shooting star at this level here. Price formed a Gartley, 786 Gartley. An ideal Gartley, that is. Now, I gave two entry levels, a sell limit and a sell stop. So the sell stop was at 140, and this is to catch the breakout in case she breaks out without pulling back. And the second target, the second entry was 13,170. This was a sell limit for when she pulled back. If she pulled back, and we could get in with a lower risk. So our stop on this was 13,200, which tucked above the previous high, above the 786, and above the daily resistance as well. Okay, so our first target was the 786 at 3,100, and second target was down on the 3,000, which was the 160, just above the 161. We did have major support at 960, but the 161 is a big enough target. It's 170 pips if she triggers on the sell limit, and 140 at the sell stop. Okay, and what she done, she pulled back, took us in at the sell limit, and dropped through and hit the targets. Okay. Now, once the sell limit order has been filled, obviously we cancel the sell stop. We don't want to have two lots in this, really. Not at different levels. If we've been filled at a nicer, higher level, then we don't want to be filled here as well. Okay, so a potential 170 pips. We did scale out of this at first target and left the rest of the run down to the final target. Okay, now I'll show you the reason I give a sell limit order, and the reason and the level I put it at was because we had on the 30 minutes we had a 4-hour signal was here, and we had a break on the 30-minute chart. We had the break of the rise and support, and the rise and support level was at 170. So what I was expecting price to do was pull back to this level, around this level, and then drop through, which is what she'd done, and went on to hit our targets.